All right, here's another one for you. Anonymous can only go after white pedophiles. There's some kind of strange adjectivity in their own thinking that basically does not look past the whole problem with pedophilia. It's really smart of them to do that, but it's really stupid of them to do it also. So, dear Anonymous, you only go after white pedophiles and white privileged pedophiles from the middle class up to the upper class. Do you not see yourself as something that the left wants you to become and to be used as? Do you not see that the anarchist movement has the same struggles as you do? They have struggles with the rich oppressors being the Illuminati Satan if you didn't understand their code speak techniques. The rich means Satan, and the privileged means the Illuminati, or the oppressor means the Illuminati, that sort of thing. And then when it comes down to red blacks and red purples, red blacks and purple blacks, is they're basically working on the same based agenda as you are, but it's emphasized, and traditions and interpretations are different between how the exercise of one objective is completed against another. I have noticed something. Anonymous on the West Coast, all the way up to the interior of British Columbia, all the way east back to Ontario and Quebec, will not actually target brown pedophiles, black pedophiles, yellow pedophiles, Aboriginal pedophiles, Métis pedophiles, and then other non-white minorities too. The acts are just as egregious and disgusting as if white people do it, and they do when they can get away with it, but Anonymous doesn't confront the people of color side. No, they don't. They'll just do white pedophiles only, or whatever floats their boat. Basically what it's saying is that they're basically working against white privilege. White pedophiles, white privilege. White privilege, white pedophiles. The anarchist movement, on the same flip side of them, Anons and QAnons are basically anarchists condensed and reformed anyways. So they're basically objectifying themselves to the same red-black agenda and purple-black agenda as they were when they were anarchists at some point in human history. But when they became hackers and whites and blacks, they decided to move their priorities into the field of pedophiles and dealing with them every which way possible and destroying them, but they're destroying white privilege too. White privilege and white pedophilia go hand in hand with each other, and that's pretty much the excuse they use to go after white privilege across every spectrum, just like the red blacks and purple blacks do. It's the same objectives, but it's different partitions and different aspects that just basically make the differences between the anarchists and Anonymous. That's all I'll say about that.